to another Trendy Talia video. My name is Talia for those of you who may be new here, and today we are back in my kitchen! So, it's been a while since I filmed a Bake With Me video, and I thought it would be fun to start a little baking series on my channel called Girly Bake With Me. I enjoy baking, and I especially love making cute little treats that are pretty and delicious. So maybe once a month I will share a little baking video with you all with some of my favorite girly recipes. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a simple cherry bread that is so pretty. This recipe is so simple that the only thing that I needed to go to the store for was maraschino cherries. Everything else that the recipe calls for I already had. I love how pink and girly this dessert bread is, and this is also a perfect summer treat with all of the cherries. So without further ado, let's get to baking. So first, I am starting off preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To make this cherry bread, you will need 3/4 cup granulated sugar, half cup of milk, half cup of vegetable oil, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 2 10-ounce jars of maraschino cherries. In a medium mixing bowl, add sugar, milk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, 1 egg, and mix it all together. After those ingredients are all mixed in, add 1 cup of flour, salt, 2 teaspoons baking soda, and mix. Slowly add in the 2nd cup of flour. I'm going to be taking a jar of maraschino cherries and reserving 1/3 cup of the juice for the cherry glaze. I'm going to set aside the juice and chop 2 jars of cherries with a knife. If you happen to have a food processor, this will definitely speed up the process and save your fingers from turning red. How cute is this spatula? It says, "Baking is love made edible." Now I'm going to gently fold in the chopped cherries to my batter. Before pouring in the batter to a 9x5 bread pan, you're going to want to make sure you grease the pan. This will help your bread not stick to the pan once you're ready to take it out. Place the pan in the middle of the oven and bake for 50 to 55 minutes. I baked my bread for 50 minutes and it turned out perfect. For the glaze, you will need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/3 cup of maraschino cherry juice, half teaspoon of almond extract, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. Blend all those ingredients together with a mixer until it's nice and smooth. This could take up to 2 minutes. that my cherry bread is done baking, I'm going to let it cool in the pan for at least 30 minutes before moving it over to a wire rack. So as my pretty little pink cherry bread cools, I thought I would hop back on here and say thank you guys so much for watching this Girly Bake With Me video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you would like to see more baking videos from me, then don't forget to click that subscribe button. I also post other girly content such as makeup tutorials, shopping hauls, fashion videos, and girly lifestyle vlogs. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And now we're going to roll on out to the outro so you guys can see the finished look of this cherry bread with the glaze on top. If you guys do try this recipe out at home, let me know down in the comments below or on my Instagram. It is trendy_Talia. And I would love to hear from you guys and know your thoughts on what you thought of the bread. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Make sure your bread is completely cool before topping it with the cherry glaze. This is my favorite part. How satisfying does that look? I just love how pretty and princess-like this bread looks, and it's full of flavor with a nice combination of cherry and almond. It's so delicious and perfect with a cup of coffee.